Economics. All right, welcome to this class. Let's consider this topic, dumping. What is dumping? All right, dumping is the practice of selling products in a foreign country at a lower price than the normal price in the exporting country. Let me take it again. Dumping is the practice of selling a product in a foreign country at a lower price than the normal price in the exporting country. For example, country A exports products, this is products, to country what? B. This product from the exporting country, which is country A, is sold at $100. Now, the product at the destination country is now being sold at $45. Can you see that at the destination country, the country that imported it, they are selling far lower than the normal price from the exporting country? Somebody now asks why. Country A is doing this for various reasons. Number one is to have a market share. A market what? Share. When country A is looking for a market share in country B, one of the ways they will gain access is to lower their price when they get to country B. It is called dumping. Another reason is when there is what? Excess production. When the products in country A is too much. So one of the ways to reduce the excess production is to dump it in country B and sell at a lower price. Another reason that country A pushes goods or products to country B and sell at a lower price is to what? Is to eliminate competition. All right. If country A has competitors in country B, a lot of competitors selling at normal price, one of the ways to eliminate competition is to export into those countries and what? Lower your price. It's called dumping. When dumping happens, it affects domestic production, because if you have companies in country B, domestic companies in country B, producing and selling at, let's say, $80, and country A exports this product and starts selling at $45, it will affect domestic production. Jobs will be lost. This is what dumping is. So when they pack a lot of goods from country A and dump it in country B, it might be because there is excessive production. They don't have any space, so they don't have option than to bring it into country B and sell it at a lower price. Or maybe they are looking for how to penetrate into that market. Or number three, they want to eliminate competition. In any case, dumping is not good for the receiving countries. Are you following? Okay, this is what dumping is in economics. If you have any question, drop in the comment section. Kindly share this video and follow for more.